Question: what speed did the fastest steam locomotive reach? The fastest steam locomotive of all time reached a speed of exactly 2.1 kilometers per hour on a test run in England in 1938. This record-breaking locomotive, Mallard, pulled 7 coaches with a total weight of 250 tons. The fastest German steam locomotive, with 2,360 horsepower, achieved a speed of 200.4 kilometers per hour on the Berlin-Hamburg route in 1936. Question: how many cars did the longest train have? The longest and heaviest freight train of all time measured 7.3 kilometers in length and weighed 69,400 tons, without locomotives. 7 locomotives were distributed throughout the train, which traveled from the town of Sishen to the port of Saldanha in South Africa, a distance of 861 kilometers. This occurred in August 1989. The longest train pulled by a single locomotive in the USA was composed of 250 cars, with a total weight of 5,500 tons. Question: at what elevation are the highest railway stations? In Peru's Andes, at an elevation of 5,000 meters above sea level, higher than Europe's highest mountain, Mont Blanc, is the Galera Railway Station, the highest in the world. Europe's highest railway station is 1,500 meters lower. The famous Jungfrau Railway reaches its terminus at an elevation of 3,454 meters after a dizzying climb of 3,000 meters. The ascent is 18 steeper than ordinary railways. At one point, the railway passes through a 7-kilometer tunnel. During stops in the tunnel, passengers can view the stunning Swiss mountain scenery through large glass windows. The Jungfrau Railway, completed in 1912, is unique in the world. Germany's highest railway station is at an elevation of 2,650 meters. Trains to Zugspitze take over an hour to reach their destination. Question: where is the longest railway line? The Trans-Siberian Railway, running from Chelyabinsk through Omsk, Irkutsk, Khabarovsk to Vladivostok, spans approximately 7,000 kilometers, connecting the European part of Russia with Siberia and the Far East. The longest perfectly straight railway line is in Australia, stretching 478 kilometers without a single curve. Question: how long are the longest railway bridges? The railway bridge over the Mississippi River in Louisiana, USA, is 7 kilometers long, built in 1935. Asia's longest railway bridge crosses the Yangtze River near Nanjing, China, with a length of 6,900 meters. The longest railway bridge in Europe connects 2 Danish islands, measuring 3,200 meters. Friends and guests of my channel,